In 2005, a beam of innovation illuminated Tianjin. ABT has embarked on a journey of excellence in wire harness manufacturing. For 20 years, we have forged ahead with determination, cultivating our expertise in the industry with a positive and vibrant spirit. Today, with the three major production bases in Tianjin, Jinan, Taida, and Suzhou operating in synergy, and the Shanghai branch connecting efficiently with the market, we've established a global business network covering every corner of the world. When you step into ABT, cleanliness, tidiness, and orderliness would serve as our first impression. Standardized, automated, and digital manufacturing capabilities form our solid foundation, while our supply chain resilience and production flexibility enables simultaneous mass production across numerous cable harness categories. Our products range from 3/6 AWG precision wires to 350 square millimeters high-power wiring harnesses, special connection, insulation, shielding, environmental tolerance, protection, and waterproof ratings, all customized to your specifications. We also possess manufacturing capabilities for complex processes such as soldering, injection molding, and glue filling. In terms of business structure, the core wiring harness business, as the cornerstone, accounts for 81%. Control cabinet assembly accounts for 12%. Machining and automation accounts for 7%, establishing end-to-end delivery capabilities, spanning components, assemblies, and complete systems. Leveraging this core strength, our products have been widely adopted across key industries include electrical and electronics, aerospace, medical and healthcare, rail, transit, automotive and marine, industrial controls, construction, machinery, and new energy industries. Amid the digital wave, we are driving growth through intelligent upgrades. The ME's dashboard displays real-time updates on production capacity, yield rates, and other key metrics. The SAP system enables seamless, high-efficiency collaboration across the entire supply chain. Within the Research and Design Center, our engineering team focuses on modeling to achieve precise designs for customized product development. Behind the quality lies robust technical support. Inside the professional testing laboratory, various precision instruments operate continuously. Real-time data collection and analysis transform into clear curves on computer screens. A pass rate of 99.9% speaks to our confidence in quality. Meanwhile, upholding the core values of ESG and deepening our commitment to sustainable development have become our unwavering strategic direction and guiding principle. This steadfast dedication has enabled us to achieve certifications, including ULSA 8000, ISO 50001, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949, ISO 45001, earned numerous government honors, and secured the trust and honor of many Fortune 500 companies, including Schneider, Honeywell, and ABB. With the spirit of sustainable development, technological innovation, and excellent manufacture, ABT is eager to join hands with you. ABT, ability build tomorrow.